Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about how to install Prometheus on Windows. First of all, what is Prometheus? Prometheus is an open source monitoring and metrics tool. It collects metrics from systems and applications and provides a web UI to query and visualize those metrics. Okay, so the first step to install Prometheus is to go to this link, prometheus.io, and go to the download page. And in my case, I'm going to select the latest version, which is this. So as you can see, I already downloaded it, but I'm going to download it again. Okay, looks like it's done. So I'm going to browse to the file. I'm going to delete this one. So the next step is to move this file to the folder where you want to install Prometheus. So I created a folder named Prometheus on drive C. I'm going to move this file here, and I'm going to right click on it, extract all, and going to use this file, this folder, extract. Okay, so the zip file is extracted, so I can delete that. And I'm going to just to make the folder a little bit organized, I'm going to move all the files here and delete the main folder. Okay, the next step is to open command prompt on the same folder, Prometheus, and let me just do dir, and we can see all the files here, right? And to start Prometheus, just type prometheus.exe. And to open it, just go to your browser and type localhost 1990. Yeah, now we see that it's working. And to verify that it's really working, go to status, target health. We see that it's up. And by the way, the Prometheus folder, this is the file that you need to verify that exists. Because in this file, it says it's got a job name Prometheus, so meaning it's monitoring itself. Okay, so that's how you install Prometheus, and that's how you verify that it's up and running. Alright, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.